Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how we can customize your cookie settings for your account in the Goodnotes application on your desktop computer. So let us dive into this. So guys, for this method, I will have to launch the desktop or laptop application of Goodnotes. It doesn't work through the web application, so let me use the desktop application. Now, no matter if you're in the home screen or home section or inside a document editing it, you will either way need to access your settings. To do that, click into these three dots in the top right, or let me navigate back because as you can see it can be accessed via the text editor. Navigate back to the home section and here click into that gear icon in the top right. From there, navigate to settings. And here guys, you will see these options. And what you want to do is navigate to preferences and here click into cookie preferences. And here go with the one you would like to keep or disable. That's up to you. And you may you will have access to these three options. Confirm your preferences, reject all cookies, accept all cookies. You may also expand the menu and go through these specific cookie preferences. That's up to you. And once that's done, confirm by clicking into this button to save your cookie preferences. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we catch you later.